Hey everyone, welcome back. In this voiceover, I'll show you how to change theme in Google Slides step by step in 2026, explained clearly from start to finish, so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to google.com. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Now enter your email address and password to log into your Google account. After signing in successfully, click on the Google Apps grid icon and select Google Slides. Once Google Slides opens, you'll see your recent presentations. You can click on any existing presentation to open it, or click the plus icon to create a new blank presentation. Wait for the presentation to fully load before moving to the next step. Now, to change the theme, go to the top menu and click on Slide. From the drop-down menu, select Change Theme. You can also click the Theme button on the toolbar if it's available. A theme panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Scroll through the built-in themes and preview them one by one. When you click on a theme, it will instantly apply to all slides in your presentation. This automatically updates colors, fonts, and layouts, giving your slides a clean and consistent look. If you want more theme options, click on Import Theme at the bottom of the theme panel. From here, you can import a theme from another Google Slides file, upload a PowerPoint presentation, or choose a theme saved in your Google Drive. After importing, simply click the theme to apply it. For advanced customization, go back to the top menu, click Slide, and then choose Edit Theme. In the theme editor, you can change background colors, fonts, text styles, placeholders, and slide layouts. Any changes made here will apply across all slides using that theme. When you're done, close the theme editor and review your presentation. Make sure everything looks clear, readable, and well aligned. And that's how to change theme in Google Slides step by step in 2026. Using the right theme saves time and makes your presentation look more professional. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next